What's up everybody, Brian here with attention to details. Kenny behind the camera. Saturday, we're in here grinding. So the other day when we showed you guys this vehicle here, I was misinformed on a few things, and then Kenny and I, as we were working on it, we discovered what it is. I spoke to the owner, so I wanted to do another refresh on this just to show, because this ain't your everyday SUV Expedition. So I said it was a 23, was my mistake. It is actually a 2022. And this has the Stealth Performance package on it. Same motor that they put in the Raptor. So it's a 3-point, sorry guys, I'm looking down, but there's so much information on this vehicle. It's a 3.5 liter V6 Stealth Performance, and it actually hits 60 miles an hour in 4.9 seconds. Now you might think, oh, that's slow. But when you're dealing with a beast like this, it's pretty stealthy. That's hence the word stealth. Extremely good torque. I tried to find the torque reading on this. If I do, I'll bring that in another video. But this thing is this absolutely stunning, beautiful truck, and very powerful. So it's the Stealth Performance package. It adds an extra 40 horsepower and 30 foot-pounds of foot torque over the stock one. So this thing does get up and go. It's absolutely beautiful vehicle. So I just wanted to show you this. It's actually the customer's outside waiting for it. So it just finished up for a pickup. So what we've done to this vehicle is we did a full badge off Expel Ultimate Plus Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating. So we did the full front, debadged, full hood, full fenders, mirrors, and it come out absolutely stunning. All your lights, the whole 9 yards, come out absolutely beautiful. And then we did the rocker package, so mirrors are done as well. And we brought on both sides up the doors to this line here of my finger, so this is all covered. And then we went one step further, and these are the running boards. So when you hit this, it comes out. They take a lot of abuse. So we went in, and the guys completely made a piece for this and sealed it all the way in. And then we polished the truck out. And then we done the Ammo Pro Coat, and then stacked with the Ammo Pro Coat wax system that goes hand in hand. 2 years of protection, super hydrophobic, slick, but it absolutely come out beautiful. We also did a full, brand new truck, but we also did a full inside of the Expel Fusion carpet coating, all the trim, leather, all inside completely protected now. But absolutely beautiful. The guys knocked it out of the park. But I just wanted to do another quick video on it, because when we opened the hood, and Kenny's like, Brian, did you see this? And it's got the badge and stuff in there. Super cool, very excited for it, very humbled that we got to work on another cool vehicle. So it's Saturday, mid-afternoon, we got a lot going on. The guys are grinding. We're gonna hit another video Monday, because we got a brand new outside that just dropped off, a brand new 2022, or it might be a 23, Kia Telluride. We're fully wrapping in stealth. Nardo gray is the color, absolutely stunning. The upgraded interior, we're doing a lot of that. Window tinting, we'll be showing you that. Then the guys are starting, Kenny actually already started on this the other day. The 2020 McLaren 720S, full stealth wrap, full Expel Fusion wrap. It had some wrap in the front. Kenny's got most of that off. There's some more pieces. Then it's going to go through roughly, I'm going to say easily half a day of cleaning, getting it ready for polishing, but all the side vents and stuff, you got the little, it's a magnet for picking up little road grime and stuff, so all stuff in here. So some things we're going to have to take apart, get in and get ready, but this is all edges wrapped, debadged. This car is going to come out absolutely stunning. We can't wait to do the process. My son Cody will also be doing this film on his shorts, so go in and check out our YouTube page, smash the subscribe button, hit the bell for you're notified when our videos come out in our shorts, Instagram, Facebook. Keep following us, we keep growing. We got some really cool cars, guys, coming. When I say supercars, we got a couple back-to-back. Magerson Performance out of Chrysler, out of LaPorte Jeep, Chrysler, and Dodge. We got sit back a little bit, but we got some pretty badass Jeep Cummins with the Hellcat engines in them. They're almost finished because they're customizing these trucks. Then they're coming here and we're wrapping the whole Jeep. We'll have them down here with their YouTube channel as well, filming along with Kenny and Cody. And they're gonna come out super cool. Wait till you guys see these like nothing you've ever seen before. So I'm gonna say in about another 2 weeks or so. But we also got the new Kia Stinger for full wrap. We got multiple vehicles coming in, guys. So keep watching, keep listening for the bell to be notified. for now, love and happiness, peace.